Welcome back once again. We are doing UV mapping. As you can see, I clicked on the UV map editor button, opened up my map editor, and I had laid out kind of my UVs. What I'd actually done is I'd done automatic, which unpacks it for me. The problem with that is that it's not pretty and it unpacks things in a really weird way. So what I went ahead and did is I selected the faces of the arm, and now I'm going through and selecting the different faces so that I'm only getting the top. Time consuming, yes, but again, everything about modeling is time consuming. Just so you know, I'm holding down the shift key to deselect the faces I do not want to have in this particular section. Yet another reason that you don't want to have a lot of geometry. Create more work for yourself. Okay, double checking, make sure I have only the faces I want selected. After I do this, what I'm going to do is open up the UV map editor, and I'm going to choose create based on view and make sure that the top view was selected. Then it's a matter of resizing things. I go through the same process again for the other parts of the model, making sure that the faces that I want are selected. Also making sure that there are no faces that I don't want selected. I do the create based on view, go ahead and resize it, and move it out of the way. Skipping ahead, once I have mapped out the UVs to my satisfaction, I'm going to rearrange my map so it all fits in one area, or one square as it is. As you can see, it takes a bit of finagling, making sure none of the UVs are overlapping, which, by the way, you do not want overlapping UVs. It creates a lot of problems in Mudbox. It's not pretty. So please, do not have overlapping UVs. As you can see, sometimes moving these things around can get a little tedious. And that weird cluster of shapes is all of the seams for the shirt and the shoes and whatnot. They aren't pretty, but they serve their purpose. Once you have finished mapping everything, including the other meshes that are part of the model, you're ready to export. You need to export your files as an OBJ so that you can open up everything in Mudbox. Mudbox will not read MB files. You're going to export all. Navigate to where you saved everything so you know where to get it when you open it in Mudbox. Then simply go into Mudbox and open your file. As you can see, there are some problems with my mesh. Mudbox will tell you what they are, and you just need to go in and fix them in Maya, re-export, and bring it back in. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please make sure that you talk to your professor.